is another Arduino project for beginners, but if you want to refresh your knowledge, then this small video will help you a lot. And we also have the blog. This is my official blog where you can visit, and so from here you can copy the code and paste into Arduino IDE. For wire connections, you can look at this. I have taken Arduino, then jumper wires, 3 LEDs and 3 registers and a breadboard. So you can see the blog and set up the wire connection as given. It's very simple. Register has been used so that you can prevent LEDs. So wire connection is done, and now we will upload the code. And if you see now, it has started glowing. After delay, then first, second and third. So between each LEDs, there is a delay of 1 second. Thank you for watching.